Alright guys, Tonino here, and today we're gonna do a shoot. I'm gonna walk you guys behind the scene on how I capture my shoot. We're doing, I'm not gonna say natural light, but it's gonna be a mix of natural light and also flash. Today I'm using my Nikon 35 f1.2, and yeah, let's see what we got. On this side we have the beautiful one and only Julia, the model for today.
Hey, babe.
Alright, so let's see what we got today. Alright, so here we go with the first shoot. Julia's going to be putting something in front of her face just like that, and I'm gonna try to capture it. Alright, so here we go. It's the first shot right here. This is without the flash. Take one vertical and take one horizontal. This is from far away. I probably need to go a little close here, but right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is without the flash. For me. So here we are. I'm gonna go again without the flash. Here we go. This is without the flash. Vertical there. I'm trying to avoid distortion. This is good. Okay, so this is without the flash. So now we're going to do the same thing again, and this time with a flash. Taking it to manual, into bring it into 28. Alright, so if I'm going to do it without the flash, so I'm going to lower my exposure. That's what it looks like without. Okay, this may work. They may look make it a little bit more. Fantastic. Alright, so here we go with the flash. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what we get. Beautiful. There's a slight flash there, barely noticeable. That is that can go out a bit. Boom. Alright, and the vertical there. Lower your chin a little bit. And add some beautiful. Yeah, good go. 2.8. Alright. There we go. So far, so I'm gonna switch lens, go to the other lens. Chin down. There you go. Somehow I like the vertical better than horizontal. Chin down a little bit. Remember. Definitely. Yeah. Good.